Okay, I just had to record this for a second because this is the coolest thing I've ever seen, and I just wanted to share it with anybody who wanted to watch. Thank you, Shane Dawson, for doing this for so long and for making a video about it, because it is my new favorite thing. And it's like it's a ball, and then you make a ball, and then it's liquid, and then it's a ball, and then it's liquid, and then it's a ball, and it just keeps happening over and over. Watch this. I've got to get all the stuff out, but watch. Oh my gosh. Okay. You see, this is a solid. It's a ball. Watch it. Oh my god. And it's I don't know. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Thank you, Shane Dawson, for making this a year ago and doing a video about it. Look, we have balls, and they just melt into just nothing. But wait. If you're diligent enough, then you can just make a ball again. Ball. Wait, look. Oh god. Oh, this is so cool. This is the neatest stuff in the world. Oh god. Wait. Look. Is it a ball? Or is it not a ball? Let's see. It's a ball. Oh, wait, no, it's not. It's balling. It can't decide. Does it want to be? Oh, wait. That was so appropriate for you, Shane. Oh, wait, God. I guess it's appropriate for me, too. This is so cool. This is, he used cornstarch and water. I just had arrowroot powder because I'm bougie. Or less bougie. I'm not even sure which one's bougier. Or if either one of them could be bougie, that's just cornstarch. Which, just like Shane, I'm really not sure what that's used for, to make things thicker. I mean, it made this water thicker. And it just, oh god. Okay, we're falling apart here. But, you guys, I didn't have as big of a bowl as he did, and not as rich, so I didn't want to waste as much in case it didn't work. But look, and then you can make it into a ball again. It's just the neatest thing. I'm making such a mess. Oh gosh, look, it's solid, but then it's not anymore. It's like, this is just the neatest thing I've ever seen. What's happening? Oh god. So cool. Oh, that's awesome. That gives me an idea. A makeup idea.